I'm Marie from DocSense. Today we're going to explain how to update a domain. This involves propagating the Watchdoc update to the print servers. This centralized propagation system is a real time saver for administrators. This feature is available from version 6.1 of Watchdoc. First of all, you need to make sure that you have updated your master server and your monitoring console manually. To do this, simply download the packages from our documentation site, doc.docsense.com. You can now go to the Supervision console in the Print Servers tab. The letters S and M displayed in front of the server names tell you whether the servers are considered as slave or master. For the update to be possible, all the servers must be accessible. The coloured squares associated with the servers must therefore be green or orange. Then click on the Add an Update button and add the package you downloaded earlier to update the master, this time in a compressed version. Once you have validated the process, you now need to propagate the update. Select the compressed package downloaded earlier and choose the server on which you wish to propagate this update. Once you've validated it, all that's left to do is apply it. Your update is now installed. If you don't want to miss any of our videos, don't hesitate to subscribe. And for more information, visit our documentation site, doc.docsense.com.